Near USDT Overview. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, about a month between take-profit targets. Entry levels, 3.220 to 4.572. Take-profit targets. Target 1, 7.691. Target 2, 8.925. Target 3, 9.988. Target 4, 11.680. Target 5, 13.021. Stop level, 1.921. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush. Trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take-profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take-profit price. This will help protect your profits and limit losses if the market trend changes. Be sure to enter after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. We wish you successful trading.